Today my video on Top 9 Best Gourmet Chocolates to Buy Right Now. Costly Startup Ideas. Taste. Sensation. Top 9 Gourmet Chocolates. 1. Best Overall Chocolate Thierry Atlan. 2. Best Milk Chocolate Z Chocolat. 3. Best Dark Chocolate La Maison du Chocolat. 4. Best White Chocolate Jacques Torres. 5. Best Belgian Chocolate Neuhaus. 6. Best Sea Salt Caramels Franz. 7. Best Peanut Butter Chocolates John Kelly. 8. Most Adventurous Chocolates Vosges Au Chocolat. 9. Best Fruit Flavored Chocolate and Sons Chocolatiers. Each exquisite piece is a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship of master chocolatiers, crafted with the finest ingredients and attention to detail. From rich dark chocolate with velvety smoothness to creamy milk chocolate with luscious fillings, this collection promises a tantalizing journey for your taste buds. Experience the pure bliss and decadence of these gourmet delights, perfect for special occasions or as a luxurious treat to savor the extraordinary flavors of the finest chocolates that promise to awaken your senses and transport you to a world of pure culinary delight. Discover the perfect balance of sweetness and complexity as you savor the silky textures, decadent fillings, and harmonious combinations of these gourmet treasures. From the velvety smoothness of dark chocolate to the creamy indulgence of milk chocolate, let your taste buds be treated to an unforgettable journey of unparalleled taste. Sensation. Elevate your chocolate experience with these exceptional confections. Indulge in the epitome of chocolate luxury with our carefully selected collection of the top 9 best gourmet chocolates, showcasing the innovative and costly startup ideas that are redefining the chocolate industry. These visionary ventures have embarked on a quest to create extraordinary confections that tantalize the taste buds and elevate the chocolate experience to new heights. With meticulous attention to detail and the use of the finest ingredients, these costly startup ideas offer a taste sensation like no other. Treat yourself to these exquisite creations and immerse yourself in a world of decadence, where each bite is a testament to the passion, creativity, and entrepreneurial spirit behind these exceptional gourmet chocolates.